This is pretty cool.
I know.
That's a really good idea, Dad.
Just want tape?
For now. Okay, put it right here across the bottom. There you go, right there. Now rub it on
Big.
so it stays there. Nice job. Get some more?
A really good idea.
Nice job. Sure is. All right,
I
now.
wonder, did that hurt your dad when he flipped over?
No.
Okay, so let's do this so we get them even. Let's just do it on the
we
opposite
did
side.
pretty
Would
good
that be
with that,
okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
I am in too.
Okay, because you said you wanted it right here? On this one? Okay. Okay, so let's put this one here. Oh, hold on. Oh, sorry, I gotta get it straight.
I'm done.
There you go. Okay, go ahead and put that on there. Okay. And then we'll do this one right here. It's Grace.
Gracie, that's nice. Wow. Turn it around. Turn it. Yeah, let me see all that. That's good. You went really quick. You got it done quick.
Because her mama did it. I don't know what I was thinking.
I just did this part and then she did all that.
That's awesome.
She did the hard part.
I love it.
I kind of put it very uneven, and now it looks like I can't put this one on.
Oh, you know, it's up to you. I bet it'll fit.
Hopefully. It's gonna be a little too close.
You want me to see on the launcher?
Watcha!
Nice.
Mom, the potato salad is amazing.
Is it?
Yes.
Sweet.
It's like heaven.
You did it.
Awesome.
Luke, are you ready?
Yes.
Luke is ready. Okay, Natalie, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, Seth, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, Gracie, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, Jessica, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, Austin, are you
Yes,
ready?
I'm very ready.
Huh? Right here.
Okay,
Totally.
totally ready.
I'm gonna stomp right there in the middle.
Right there in the middle. Okay.
Like it's a weasel.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh, mine went the highest. I think mine went the highest.
Awesome.
I don't get it. Look at this.
What'd you think?
Great.
Was that fun?
Yeah, totally. Mine.
Keep blowing. Keep blowing.
Really far. That's as hard as I can
Okay,
go.
that's
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mine got stuck.
so. What'd you think?
That was amazing.
Vincent's went really far.
Oh, you got stuck on the roof. Dad had to put him on his shoulders to get it off.
I am in awe. It was wonderful.
Everybody ready?
Yeah.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back up!
Oh, stuck in the ground again.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, look at that one.
And it's stuck in the tree.
That one might be hard to get.
Lifting me up.
You're gonna fall. I don't want you to fall.
My sister lifts me up.
It's in the tree?
Yes, it's in the tree. It's right up there.
1, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, mine went! Where am I? 4, 3, 2, 1. Mine went! That's not ready. Nellie's not ready. Maybe we should make a new one.
I hate blowing.
Way to go.
8, 7, 6,